Agriculture is Australia's fastest growing sector. It's second only to mining in terms of its importance in the economy. And in a global context, our country is a clear leader and has clear competitive advantage in agricultural production. Executed well, an investment in agriculture offers stable, competitive risk-adjusted returns, provides an insulator to volatility in a portfolio, and is a proven option to hedge against inflation risk. In agricultural investments, diversification is critical to both optimise returns and minimise volatility. The Warakirri Diversified Agricultural Fund is specifically designed to provide investors with a range of exposure in agricultural real assets across different high-value sectors, a range of production systems, crops, end markets, diversification across climate and water exposure, and a selection of leading best-in-class tenant counterparties. Investing patiently across a range of high-value sectors with high-quality, closely aligned tenant counterparties allows us to also maximise sustainable outcomes, not only for the assets and the unit holders, but for the environment, people, and the communities that we invest in. The fund invests nationally across a range of different climate zones, across a number of different states, and in target sectors that include fruit and berries, like citrus, pome fruit and blueberries, the nut complex, including the likes of almonds and macadamias, vegetables and salad, in the wine sector, and in strategic agricultural infrastructure that is critical to the supply chain for agriculture and food. We regard tenant and asset selection as equally balanced determinants of the fund's success. We're focused on high quality investment grade assets, but also tenants who are best in class, leaders in their field, and responsible stewards of the fund's assets. Across a range of different sectors, we look at our tenant partners almost as if we're making a private equity investment in that business. By specifically focusing on strong, highly sophisticated tenant partners to operate the fund assets, we also gain access to economies of scale that those partners have, strong governance, best-in-class management, and things like valuable IP and specific product and marketing arrangements that our tenant partners have installed. Examples of our tenant counterparties include 2 ASX-listed entities, respectively producing market-leading berries and premium wine, both under a vertically integrated business model. And then, in our soft leaf salad investment, a leading producer of these products with vertically integrated operations diversified across 2 fund assets in Victoria and Queensland. This business supplies sustainably grown product to consumers via both the supermarket shelves and home meal services right up and down the East Coast.